You keep telling yourself you cannot focus, that your brain is tired, distracted, unfocused. But the truth is, your nights are silently destroying your mornings. Endless scrolling, late sleep, cheap dopamine. You wake up foggy and call it lack of discipline. Deep down, you know you are avoiding discomfort. You know you are choosing easy over growth. Tonight is where your new identity begins. Shut down your phone early. Write tomorrow's top 3 goals. Read something that makes you think. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. Prepare your clothes and workspace. Sleep with intention, not escape. These small night habits rebuild your mind while others waste time. Do this every night, even when you feel lazy. Consistency turns chaos into control. 1 month from now, your focus will feel unbreakable. Start tonight. No excuses.